Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ghost as a creator platform for online income detailed guide step. To begin, visit the official Ghost website at ghost.org. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's the free option or a paid subscription. After selecting your plan, provide the necessary information to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Ghost admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and main features available. Navigate to the Settings section in the left sidebar. Under Settings, select Labs to access experimental features. Look for the option labeled Enable Member Sign Up. Toggle this setting to activate membership features for your site. Return to the General settings to configure your site title and description. Scroll to the Payment section to set up your income streams through memberships. Connect your payment provider by selecting either Stripe or PayPal. Follow the prompts to authenticate your chosen payment provider. Once connected, adjust the membership pricing based on your strategy. Review your site's design by clicking on Design in the sidebar. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and purpose. Customize the theme elements as needed, including colors and fonts. Create engaging content by navigating to the Posts section. Click on New Post to start writing articles or creating posts for your audience. Incorporate images, videos, and other media to enrich your content. Publish your content regularly to maintain engagement and attract members. To promote your site, utilize social media channels and email marketing. Monitor your site's performance and member engagement through the Analytics dashboard. Regularly adjust your strategies based on feedback and engagement metrics. Continue refining your content and offerings to grow your income potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.